Welcome back to my YouTube channel सुरक्षा खबर को-स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय ग्लोबल इंश्योरेंस एडवाइस सर्विसेज मुंबई महाराष्ट्र इंडिया। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपसे बात करूंगा मरीन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के बारे में। आज मैं आपको जानकारी देंगे मरीन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी के बारे में। ये पॉलिसी कौन लेता है और किसको ये ज़रूरत होती है और कि अब ये पॉलिसी के फ़ायदे क्या होते हैं। चलते हैं इस पॉलिसी के बारे में। व्हाट इज़ मरीन इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी? Marine insurance refers to a contract of indemnity. It is an assurance that the goods dispatched from the country of origin of the land of destinations are insured. Marine insurance covers the loss damage of ships, cargo, terminals, and includes any other means of transport by which goods are transferred, acquired, or held between the points of origin and the final destination. The term originated when the parties begin to ship goods via sea. Despite what the name implies, marine insurance applies to all models of transportation of goods. For instance, when goods are shipped by air, the insurance is known as the contract of marine cargo insurance. Importance of marine insurance. Marine insurance is required in many import-export trade proceedings, admitting the terms both parties are liable for the payment of goods under insurance. However, the subject matters of marine insurance goods goes beyond contractual obligations, and there are several valid arguments necessary for buying it before dispatching the export cargo. Goods in transit need to be insured by one of the three parties: the forwarding agent, the exporter, the importer. Also, it can be taken by anyone involved in the transit of goods. What is Marine Insurance Act 1963 in the policy? The Marine Insurance Act in India came into existence in 1963 as per section 3 of the Acts. Any time of term, marine insurance is used, expressed, or even extended for the insuring of goods against loss or damage. The insurer will be at risk to bear the charges. The insurer will consider all the certainty of goods in case of misfortune sustained during marine ventures. What are the three significant types of insurance that are involved in marine insurance? The events could be collision of ships with the rock or ship attacked by the enemies, fire and actions of the captains and crew of the ship. Marine insurance is further broken down into three categories of insurance. These are ship or hull insurance, cargo insurance, and freight insurance. How many types of marine insurance are there? So, in terms and conditions of marine insurance coverages, these are three types of marine insurance classes instead of cargo class A, B, and C. What is class A? It covers losses due to breaking, chipping, denting, brushing, theft, non-delivery, all water damage, etc. Also covers clause B and C. ए क्लॉज को हम कहते हैं ऑल रिस्क क्लॉज कवर भी किया जाता है। इसमें ए बी सी तीनों क्लॉज कवर किए जाते हैं। क्लॉज बी, इट कवर्स द शिपमेंट अगेंस्ट इवेंट्स सच एज अर्थक्वेक, volcanic eruptions and damage due to rainwater, seawater, river water, etc. Also covers clause C. What is clause C? Clause C, it covers the shipments against the events such as fire, discharge of cargo in case of distress, explosion, accidents like sinking, capsizing, derailment, collision, etc. What are the principles in the marine insurance policy? Principles of good faith. Parties demand absolute trust on the part of both the insurer and the guaranteed. Principle of proximate clause. The proximate cause is not adjacent in time. Also, it is insufficient. Nevertheless, it is a differentiative and adequate cause of loss. Principle of insurable interest. Any object presented as a marine risk and the insured covering the insurance of goods both should have the relevance. Also, a series is demoted called incompetence to respectively assign the insurance of goods to each party. Principles of indemnity. The insurance extended to the parties will only be applicable up to the loss. The parties can't buy insurance to gain profits. If they do, they won't get more than the actual loss. Principles of contributions. Sometimes the risk coverages for goods has more than one insurer. In such case, the amount has to be fairly distributed amongst the insurers. What are the features of marine insurance? Acceptance of the offer, coverages, payment of premium, insurable interest, contract of indemnity, claiming process, and flexibility. How marine insurance works? Marine insurance best transfers the liability of the goods from the parties and indemnities involved to the insurance company. The legal liability on the indemnities handling the goods is limited to begin with. The exporter, instead of bearing the sole responsibility of the goods, can buy an insurance policy and get maritime insurance coverage for the exported goods against any possible loss or damage. The carrier of the goods, be it the airline of the shipping company, maybe the cost of damages and losses to the goods while on board. However, the compensation agreed upon is mostly on a package on a per package or per consignment basis. The coverages so provided may not be sufficient to cover cost of the goods shipped. Therefore, exporters prefer to ship their product after getting it insured the same with the insurance company. Scope in marine insurance. The scope of marine insurance is necessary to meet the contractual obligation of exports to align with the agreements such as cost insurance and freight CIF or carrier and insurance paid CIP. The exporters needs to take marine insurance or to protect the buyers or their bank's interest and honor the contractual obligation. Similarly, the, in the case of delivered duty unpaid DDU and delivery duty paid DDP terms, and the sellers may not be obligated to insure the goods, although in practice they generally do. How many types of marine insurance are there? Freight insurance, liability insurance, hull insurance, marine cargo insurance. What is freight insurance? In freight insurance, for example, if the goods are damaged in transit, the operator would lose freight receivables, and so the insurance will be provided on compensation for loss of freight. Liability insurance. Marine liability insurance where some is where compensation is bought to provide any liability occurring or account of a ship crashing or colliding. Hull insurance. Hull insurance covers the hull and torso of the transportation's vehicle. It covers the transportation against the damages and accidents. Marine cargo insurance. Marine cargo policy refers to the insurance of goods dispatched from the country of origin to the country of destination. टू बाय दिस पॉलिसी आप हमें दिए हुए नंबर पे कॉल कर सकते हो. हमारे ब्रांच ऑफिस पे मिस्टर राजन तावड़े घाटकोपर ऑफिस मिस्टर विनय परमार और पटना ऑफिस मिस्टर रंजीत तिवारी को आप कॉल कर सकते हो। उम्मीद करते हैं आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आया होगा और आपको हमारी दी हुई जानकारी पसंद आएगी। आप हमारी वीडियो को लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए एंड प्लीज़ वी आर ऑल्सो ऑन इंस्टाग्राम ऑफ JISL 2020 और गूगल बिजनेस ग्लोबल इंश्योरेंस एडवाइस सर्विसेज पे भी हम हैं। आप हमारे फीडबैक दे सकते हैं। थैंक यू वेरी मच। टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ एंड या लव वंस। ये था हमारे इंश्योरेंस के बारे में आज की जानकारी। थैंक यू।